Welcome to the PayAiro YouTube channel. Today, we'll walk you through the complete process of creating your PayAiro account, from entering your phone number to completing your identity verification. We'll go through each step together, so let's get started. First, open the PayAiro app and tap Create Account. You'll now see the first step of the registration process. Enter your phone number in the provided field. If you have a referral code, you can enter it in the referral code field. This is optional, so you can leave it blank if you don't have one. Next, you'll see two consent checkboxes. The first checkbox confirms that, by providing your phone number, you agree to the PayAiro Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. The second checkbox confirms that you agree to the applicable terms of service, disclosures, and privacy policy. Please review these terms carefully. Select the required checkboxes and then tap Verify. You'll now receive a verification OTP on the phone number you entered. Enter the OTP to verify your phone number. Once your OTP has been successfully verified, you can begin setting up your PayAiro account. Next, you'll see the Details page. Start by entering your first name and last name. Then, create your PayAiro tag. Your PayAiro tag is your unique identity on PayAiro and can be used to send and receive funds. Choose a tag that you're comfortable using and make sure it's entered correctly. Next, enter your email address. Finally, you'll be asked to provide the last 4 digits of your SSN. This information is securely encrypted. This information helps verify your identity and complete the required KYC, or Know Your Customer process. KYC helps PayAiro verify that the account belongs to you and supports applicable regulatory requirements. After entering your SSN details, you'll see 2 additional consent checkboxes. The first confirms your agreement to the Patriot Act and e-sign disclosure. The second confirms that you agree to the applicable AML policy, which includes measures designed to help prevent financial crimes and maintain a secure payment environment. Please review all the information and agreements carefully. Once everything is correct, tap Proceed to continue. You'll now be taken to the KYC verification page. Some of your information may already be pre-filled. Carefully review all the details, including your first name, last name, address, city, state, and zip code. Make sure your address matches the information associated with your SSN records. If the address is incorrect, update it with your correct current information before continuing. Once you've reviewed and confirmed that all your details are accurate, tap Confirm and Continue. Your information will now be submitted for verification. Please wait while the verification process is completed. And that's it. Once your verification is successfully completed, your PayAiro account is ready to use. You can now enjoy a seamless PayAiro experience and access the features available to your account. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, stay connected with the PayAiro channel for more tutorials, guides, and updates. PayAiro, simple, secure, and seamless. See you in the next video.